Hello, my pretties. Friday night guitar improv. This is going to be especially melodic and pretty, natural harmonics, stuff like this. Oh, pretty, right? Very. See if you can name what song this is coming from. This was a big hit back in the day, and it's among the most beautiful, most melodic, most prettiest guitar lines I've ever heard before in my life. I think it was recorded on an electric guitar, but I'm going to be doing it on an acoustic. I've got my looper machine down here, so I'm going to play it, and then it's just going to loop over and over again what I did, and then I'll start improvising something over the top of it. And this is pretty much in E minor, or E melodic minor, or E natural minor. Use a few different scales there, and it's going to sound real pretty. Some add 9 chords for sure. So let's get started. I see my first visitors popping on, so welcome, I'm glad you're here. Let's get started. Believe I'm in tune. There we go. So real pretty stuff. Okay, let's get started. Getting the looper going. I'm actually going to start that over because I was not happy with my performance. So let's try that again. Hello, Paulette, Kitty, everyone else. Let's do that again. Okay. Something about the level here. The guitar is way too loud. All right, I'm going to revisit that one in the very near future. That one was a little bit more difficult for me to nail than I really thought it would be. I thought I would just fall right into it, but I didn't. Came across some phrases that I liked a lot. Or maybe just what threw me off was when I first went to the electric guitar, the volume was so loud I couldn't even really hear the acoustic, and it took me a minute to figure out how to get the levels straight there. So that was an issue too, I suppose. But that's what happens with live feeds. If there's going to be a mistake or something goes wrong, it's right there. And I'm not deleting this. I'm still going to put this out there for the world to see, which I'm fine with. So let me go back to the acoustic for a moment. I just play that pretty guitar piece all by itself. Maybe also this part, you plug it in. This part here, whoops, this part here, having that in the loop over and over again was also throwing me off as well. So I might, let's see if I can get this to work here. So maybe I'll loop it differently next time I do this one. Maybe it'll go, see if I can figure something out live on the spot. Pressure's on. Let's go. And I skipped that part. Would that work rhythmically? I don't know, maybe. Be a little different. I could just do that one over and over again, but that beginning part, the intro into it is so pretty. I'm going to work on that on my own, actually, see if I can figure out something that would make sense for looping over and over again. I don't want to cut that part of it out. Such a pretty piece. I just love it. Of course, I love this one too. I will do that one again for sure. That's going to be one I do pretty frequently. That'll be one of the most common pieces I do with my little looper devices, this one. For sure, but I want to get this one too. Extra note in there. Cool. Well, that's gonna about do it for tonight's live feed. Probably definitely one of the shorter ones. I was thrown off so much by what happened in that tune that I need to figure out how I want to do this piece on my looper before I can really do it justice. So this one will definitely be redone in the near future. Thanks everyone for being here. musicalorgasms.com is my website. Also orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. Bye for now. Mwah.